Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here, I will fulfill the final semester evaluation text in English by explaining Unit 1 to Unit 5. Hello everyone, my name is Lena Hadianti. You can call me Lena. I am 20 years old. I'm from Indonesia. I live in Bandung. I study in Bandung Business School at Bandung. Management studies. I don't live on campus. I live with my family. I get up at 5 a.m. because online class. My first class starts 7 a.m. I enjoy and the classes are interesting. After that, I have another class from 9:30 a.m. until 12 p.m. At 1 p.m., I have lunch with my family. After lunch, I have an assignment to do. After that, I have another class from 7 p.m. until 9 p.m. For me, the typical day at Bandung Business School is hard but fun. In my free time, I usually like to watching dramas or movies, listen to music, read novels, and I also like to cook. For my flat, because it is still a rural atmosphere, so there are still many rice fields in my area. But if you go around my area, besides seeing the rice fields, there are also such a badminton venue, a place to eat, and a children's play area. And my favorite place is a badminton venue. So much for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.